Hello again, this is the Spaceman channel. We're back again. This is a follow-up basically to the TMUX terminal that we were working on before. In the last session we had a repairing that was going on. So we went ahead and edited the code, changed everything up, and basically we switched the model from Llama to Ornith. Ornith has a very good capability of doing scaffolding. So we decided to remove a Llama and basically retest from a deterministic test that was SRR and a little bit of the model to now mainly exclusively the model itself, relying on Ornith to see if Ornith could get it opened up and do the job that Ornith likes to do with the scaffolding approaches. So here is the actual terminal that was open. As you can see, there's the model turns happening in the background. We're at 11 of 12. It's opened up. You can see it's the actual TMUX terminal, has a date on it. So that's ThinkPad P70. You can also zoom in and you can see that Ornith was changed out at the bottom here. I'll show you with the mouse. Ornith is right here. Ornith is also up here. The test is still moving live. There was exactly 2 verification actions right here. Autonomous. Here's the job that's actually rolling. And there we have it. Basically our model has the capability of opening up a terminal, opening up a TMUX terminal, and this is sort of the basis of how you basically get your model capable of doing things by having a persistent shell and persistent terminal. So just wanted to do a quick little follow-up. This is Asai again with the Spaceman channel. We'll keep bringing it to you, showing you how these things work on this little ThinkPad P70. We're working on a GoFundMe page right now so we can get some funds articulated into the account so that we can try to get upgraded to a little higher end AI station. That way we can do a little bit more testing. Anybody who's interested in contributing, you can find the GoFundMe page link in the description at the bottom. If you'd like to subscribe, we greatly appreciate it. We being me and the ThinkPad, the little AI bot up in here. Once we're able to get another system, the systems are getting sort of expensive. And we need all the help we can get right now to get us a new system. We're going to try to get this AI talking, breathing, and communicating back with some people. We got a bunch of ideas that we got going. We want to bring a little bit of liveliness to the community. Nothing too fancy, everything impressive. And the whole goal of this project, the ThinkPad P70 project, was to see whether or not we could take old equipment and retrofit it with some higher end equipment, being these high-end models, quantized models, because we believe here at this channel you can make anything happen. So we're making it happen. Anyway, just want to get back to you guys. Subscribe to the channel and we'll keep coming to you. Have a good one. Spaceman out.